Hello everyone! In this video, we'll share some tips on vibration compensation for 3D printing. Sometimes, the vibration compensation might become less effective after extended use or long-distance transport of the printer. For example, if you start noticing distinct layer lines or ripple-like patterns on your model's surface, it's likely time to recalibrate the vibration compensation. To do this, make sure the printer is idle. Then go to the settings and select the vibration compensation option. Ensure the checkbox in front is ticked. Then start the automatic calibration. After a few minutes, the calibration will be complete, and you can start printing again. Here's what the print looks like after vibration compensation calibration. The surface is smooth and fine. Let's compare the two models side by side. You can clearly see the difference between these two printed models. If you notice ripple-like patterns or prominent layer lines like in the image on the left, it's time to recalibrate the vibration compensation. Feel free to share this tutorial with other users. If you have any further questions, please leave your comments below. We will update this video soon.